Hello folks, this is Steve AV4L. Shall we go for a short ride? 9 inches of powdery snow, right? So when I come out I look both ways. Nothing coming. Keep up the momentum. We're going to see a little bit of this road this direction, then we'll go back. We can see there's been some melt. The temperature's in the mid-30s Fahrenheit. People are taking it easy. The plows have not been on this road. Now, there were some people down here at this particular road earlier unloading the snow clearing equipment. I used it to turn around. Traffic coming from the other direction. I'm waiting for another oncoming car. We want to be careful. People are crazy in this kind of conditions, but not me. Now, yesterday I recorded somebody who came to the top of the grade facing US 64, and they were apparently afraid to try to go down it. And then after several minutes of contemplation, they backed up and turned around to the left. You also saw somebody who had gone out buying food or something. Now, I'm going to take it real easy. I'm sliding. I am sliding. I am sliding. Now, the thing is, you have to let off the brake, and then it corrects because the wheels begin to turn. Traffic has been picking up here on 64. Hope I don't get stuck. Lost my momentum. Here we go. Onto pavement. I'm not going very far. Just want you to get a feeling for what US 64 is like in my neighborhood. There's been partial melt. Some of the stuff you see along the curbing is from the plowing, but they never actually cleared all of the lanes fully of slush. Now, see, the big trick is how you're going to turn around to go back. Scott's garage is closed. Now, if I needed gas, have they cleared the snow? Looks like the answer is yes. So if I needed gas, I could get here. I filled up before the storm began. See the cones there? That's where they deliver the fuel. They don't want anybody parking there to disrupt fuel delivery. Okay, that guy's turning in. I can turn out to here. You can see how slushy this is in the intersection. I'm going to stay back a bit for the turning traffic because a lot of them don't make a wide swing. You saw how that was. So then we head back. So you can see that just in this short distance on a major North Carolina and U.S. artery, U.S. 64, the amount of snow, slush, residue in the road is highly variable. And the last big maneuver is going to be making the turn and going up the grade and turning into the driveway. And the cutover is not the way. Now the traffic behind me is all going. The traffic behind me is all gone to the outer lane. Thank you. And now I want to stay on as much of the clear as I can. Here I am, and turn in, and I made it home. Steve AB4L, just playing cowboy in the snow and slush, saying see you in 73.